Romeo, do you have any vows to say to Juliet?
I love you, my dear wife.
Juliet, do you have any vows to say to your dear Romeo?
I love you too, dear Romeo.
Romeo, do you take Juliet to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
And Juliet,
I do.
You may kiss the bride.
Come here, Pettis.
Where's Romeo?
I do not know.
You liar, where is he?
I'm telling you the truth, I do not know.
Tell me where he is.
Mercutio, I got married.
You what?
I got married.
To who?
Juliet.
What?
I'm not gonna fight you.
Why not?
I refuse to fight you.
Fuck! Let's go. Go right now. Draw your weapon.
No.
Fight me right now.
No.
Why not?
I'm trying to save her.
Him.
Yeah, son, what's up? Now you what?
I died. Oh, I got